Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 8. It was narrated by Ibn Umar. Allah Apostle said, Islam is based on the following 5 principles. Number 1. To testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's apostle. Number 2. To offer the prayers dutifully and perfectly. Number 3. To pay zakat. Number 4. To perform Hajj. Number 5. To observe fast during the month of Ramadan. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 9. It was narrated by Abu Huraira. The Prophet said, faith consists of more than 60 branches, and Haya is a part of faith. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 10. It was narrated by Abdullah bin Umar. The Prophet said, a Muslim is the one who avoids harming Muslim with his tongue and hands, and a Muhajir is the one who gives up all what Allah has forbidden. For more such type of videos, please visit our channel and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for get notification of new videos.